All right, what we have here is restore number 129. Motors for John in Gainesville. I got her all ready for the barrel test. She's a beauty. Had a frozen power head on her. I had to replace the power head. I think she's gonna run just fine. Let's fire that puppy up and see what she does. Here we go. Now here's the barrel test on John 1954 7.5. Yes, sir. She's a beauty. Runs like a champ. Got her out here on Toledo Bend Lake. Barrel testing her. She looks great, and so does the lake. The lake is fantastic. Got my new little workshop here. Moved from Boudreaux Bridge up here to Toledo Bend Lake. This is the first restore I do here, and I'm gonna keep doing them. Let's see if I can give her a start. Yep, she runs fine. All I got left to do is finish the painting. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.